One of Picasso's most famous periods included works of art featuring faces. Now, I love his painting Girl Before a Mirror. And you can see that right here, there are two faces in that, the girl and the figure in the mirror. And these are copied pretty directly from the painting using acrylic paint and some oil pastels. But I took some of the ideas in this painting and I translated it into this drawing, which was done using markers. And this is really easy to do. So the first thing I want to show you how to do is how to create this divided face where you can see both the profile. If you just look at that half, right, you just see the yellow half, that is a profile. And then if you look at it overall, it's a face from the front. So I like to draw a kind of upside down egg shape. That's the basic face shape. Then you're gonna think, okay, if I'm drawing a profile, this is the forehead, and here is the nose, and then we're gonna sort of exaggerate the lips, and then there's a chin that bumps out. So now you can see I have my profile on this side, but if I put my eyes on here, this Picasso technique, I just think he's so brilliant the way that he figured this out, then I can have still both the profile and the front of the face. So now it's up to me just to have fun and to do some embellishing. We can do eyelashes, remembering that the two eyes don't need to be the same. One can have one kind of eyelashes, the other can have a different kind of eyelashes. And one of the things I love so much about Picasso is that he's not into things having to be realistic. He's very much about the artist's interpretation of what is happening, and you can be too. So again, I'm just adding the fun features, and in fact, who says people need to have necks? Let's just go ahead and add shoulders straight in, no neck. And this is sort of becoming a mask, which was a hallmark of Picasso's work. Let's add a little bit of a lip on this side, but we don't even need to add it on this side. How about one ear? And then if this were a ponytail, maybe the hair would come up and sort of around. But then of course the other side needs hair, so we can pretend that that hair is right there. But I'm just having fun now. And then all that's left is to color this in and to use interesting colors, to use fun stuff, to give the face some stripes. Take all those ideas from Picasso about having fun and about interpreting it the way that you want and not being stuck with the idea that everything has to be seen from a single perspective. This is multiple perspectives.